Do you need to contact Koodo Mobile but aren't sure how to reach a representative? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to quickly get the help you need. To get started, go to koodomobile.com. If prompted, first select your province. Next, in the top right corner of the page, choose your preferred language. Select English or French, depending on your preference. Once you've completed these steps, we can move on to the options available for contacting Koodo. After clicking Help, you'll be taken to the Support Tools section. To access the Koodo Assistant, you can click Visit Koodo Assistant on the right, or simply click the chat bubble in the bottom right corner of the page. Both options will take you to the Koodo Assistant. Once the Koodo Assistant is open, select the type of service that best matches your situation. For today's example, we'll select Mobility Monthly Service. Now that Koodo Assist is open, there's a simple way to continue. Instead of selecting one of the suggested options, go directly to the message box at the bottom of the window and type "Can't log in." Then click the arrow to send your message. Once Koodo Assist displays the available options, select "I'm getting an error" message. Koodo Assist should then offer to connect you with a representative. Click Schedule a callback to continue with your callback request. Next, Koodo Assist will ask for your name so it can continue setting up the callback. Simply type your first and last name in the chat box, then click the arrow to send it. Koodo Assist will then ask you for the next information needed to complete your callback request. Now that Koodo Assist has your name, it will ask you to briefly describe the reason for your callback. In the message box, simply type "Bill," then click the arrow to send your response. This tells Koodo that your request is related to billing and allows you to continue with the callback process. Next, Koodo Assist will ask for the phone number where you would like to receive the callback. Enter a valid phone number where you'll be available, then click the arrow to continue. Make sure you enter a regular Canadian phone number, as toll-free, international, and extension-based numbers cannot be used. Once Koodo Assist processes your request, you'll see a list of available callback times. Choose the time slot that works best for you. If none of the suggested times are convenient, select more options to see additional availability. Once you select your preferred time, your callback is officially booked. When Koodo calls, say hello and follow the prompts to connect with a representative. Keep in mind that Koodo will make up to 2 attempts to reach you, so make sure their number isn't blocked on your phone. You should receive the call within 30 minutes of the time you selected, and that's it. You've successfully scheduled a callback with a Koodo representative. I hope this guide made the process quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.